Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM ZFE channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to detach the sketch from a sketch plane or surface and attach to another face or plane. We learn also how reorient the sketch on one of the main XY, XZ, or YZ plane. Typical use cases of attached sketches are: 1. If the sketch was attached to a specific face of a solid, but you need to attach it to a different face. And 2. When the sketch is created on a standard plane XY, XZ, or YZ, and you want to attach it to the face of a solid in order to build a new feature upon it. On the upper part of the diagram, the sketch is detached from XY plane and attached to the front surface of the part. On the lower part of the diagram, you see the change of the sketch orientation from XY plane to XZ and YZ plane. With this sketch orientation tool, you have the possibility to change the direction of the sketch, and also to offset the sketch means move the sketch parallel to the sketch plane. In the following examples, I will show you how to detach and attach the sketch to the surface of the part. First, I create a simple solid part on XY plane. The sketch is full constrained. Create a solid part. Now I will create another new sketch on XZ plane. To see the sketch plane, please activate the View section icon. To attach the new sketch on the front face of the part, first select the front face and then the Sketch Attach tool. Select the sketch from the list. Select or confirm the surface. As you see, the sketch moved to the front face of the body. Now I will create another new sketch on the front face of the solid part. I will move the sketch from the front face to the upper face of the part. First, select the upper face of the part and then the Sketch Attach tool. The rest is a similar procedure to the first example. Create a solid part. The next example is about detach from the main plane and attach to another main plane. Now I will create a sketch and a solid part on XZ plane. Create a solid part. Now I will change the XZ sketch plane to XY plane. Select Sketch 01. Select XY plane. The direction of the sketch is changed, and as a result, the solid part direction also. Please like and subscribe the video. The Reorient sketch tool places a sketch on one of the main planes with an optional offset. It can also be used to detach a sketch. In the following video, I will show you the different options to change the orientation of the sketch in FreeCAD. Now I create a simple solid part on XY plane. Create the solid part. Select the sketch and then select Reorient Sketch option from menu, Sketch. Select XZ plane. The sketch orientation changed from XY main plane to XZ plane. The solid part orientation also changed automatically. Now I will change the orientation to YZ plane. Now I will reverse the sketch orientation. Select reverse direction. Now the solid part is below the XY plane. The next option is to move the sketch as well as the solid part parallel to the sketch direction by some millimeter. The solid part moved by 100 millimeters upwards. I hope it helps you to know more about FreeCAD Sketcher. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.